Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I thought I'd review a couple more patterns that I've been working on my sewing challenge. In my previous video I talked about how I want to go challenge myself to sew patterns. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I come on and talk about weekly tips, tricks and advice on how to grow your handmade business. So I've been looking online, I've been going out to shops and things like that, and you know when you have those magazines where they got patterns inside it, I just picked those up along the way and I've managed to pick up quite a few. I had to stop myself because they're really quite nice ones out there. So I wanted to review these two patterns that I have. They're both new look patterns, and yeah, I just thought I'd review them and to show you how I feel about them. So the first one is from actually New Look. It's New Look. It's K6517, and it's quite a chic, easy to wear pattern, if you see there. And yeah, it's got like the culottes. It's got nice sort of like easy to wear long skirt with the slit down the side. It's kind of like your sort of like lays about in the house type of outfit. I thought it was quite nice. I thought it was quite nice, easy to make, and it actually states it's easy, so that's a good thing there. So yeah, I thought I would probably make that when I feel that I want something lazy to hang around the house in, or maybe to sit in the garden, hang around with the kids, you know, play about with the kids and stuff. This will be a really good outfit to try and work on. So that's that one. This next one here, again, New Look. It's the New Look K6390. Yeah, and this one is a nice cute dress, A-line dress with you know, nice flared skirt here, and then you can also make it in all different styles there. So again, I thought this was really cute, and I thought that it was a nice simple to medium intermediate type of project. So having said that, I decided to make this dress here. Which one did I make? Oh, I can't remember. I think it was this one. I made style B, and I'm actually wearing style B, so I thought I'd model it for you guys. And it was relatively quite straightforward, to be honest. The patterns to cut out were relatively straightforward. I had to sort of like line the inside of the dress, and also make sure obviously the zip is aligned and everything else. I think the only thing that was probably a bit tricky for me probably was the sleeves. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how it looks. But yeah, it was nice. It was a nice project to make, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll model it for you. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a very quick video. It's for me to review a couple patterns. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Check that little bell at the bottom so anytime I upload videos, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.